Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change the engine oil in your Honda Civic ESI. First, gather your essential tools: a socket wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You will also need about 3.5 quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Remember to always prioritize safety by using jack stands and wearing protective gloves. To begin, warm up your engine for about 5 minutes. This helps the old oil drain more completely. Next, safely lift your vehicle and secure it with jack stands. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm bolt, underneath the engine. Position your drain pan directly below it, then carefully remove the plug and let all the old oil drain out. Once the oil has fully drained, it is time to replace the filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug and securely reinsert the drain plug with a new washer. Now it is time to add the fresh engine oil. Always consult your owner's manual for the precise oil type and capacity for your specific Civic ESI model. Typically, you will need about 3.5 quarts. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. After filling, start the engine briefly, check for any leaks, then turn it off and verify the oil level on the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.